Prasadita.
Please note, do these yoga under adult supervision and please share, subscribe and like. Thank you.
Hello everyone, welcome to our yoga section today. I am Bhavya.
And I am Reyansh.
Today we're going to do yoga to help focus our mind, brain, and our mental health.
So let's do it. So let's do 3 times on. First, take a deep breath and close your eyes.
Now we're doing the half plow pose, also called the halasana. Let's start. First, lay down on your mat. Then bend your knees and then lift them up. If you're comfortable in this pose, try to do the whole plow pose by going back. Your palm should be flat on the ground and your legs straight, and count till 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. Now we're doing Dhyanasana, also called concentration pose. So first join your other hand with your other hand's palm and then sit straight and close your eyes and then relax for 20 seconds. Relax.
Now we're doing Prasadita.
Pradottanasana.
So let's do it.
It's also called wide leg forward bend. So stand straight, widen your legs, bend down, and touch your head to the ground. And count till 10.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Now we're doing child pose. First sit in Padmasana position, then interlock your hands behind your back and touch your head to the ground and hold for 10 seconds.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Relax.
Now, close your eyes for 10 seconds and take a deep breath and close your eyes.
Do not open your eyes, but rub your palms together, generate heat, and then rub your hands all over your face. And then slowly open your eyes.
Namaste. Bye. If you like this video, please subscribe.
Leave your comments below and give us a thumbs up.
So, bye.
Now we are doing child pose.
You say it.
You do good. Hold on.
Now, close your eyes for 10 seconds and take a deep breath and close your eyes. Please click